All right, in this video, we're going over part B of the word pair question. And in part B, we've already constructed the word pair list. So it's populated that all pairs array list with something like this. And then we want to do a method that looks through those word pairs and returns the number of matches. Okay, so they have an example here of if this was the original string array, then you'd have these word pairs if you paired them all up, the with red, the with fox, the with red. And then you have to figure out how many times do they match. There's the first word match the second word. All right, so I'm going to go back in to my code here. And again, this is the array list. We're gonna loop through, right, and get each word pair one at a time. And then basically, if you look at the word pair, it has a first and second word. They're private variables, but the methods are public, so we can call these get first and get second. We basically just want to see if these two strings match. Okay, so if I'm counting the number of matches, it should be pretty straightforward, right? I'm going to do an int count variable that starts at 0, and I'm going to return that count, right? That tracks how many word pairs match. Okay, and then I'm just going to loop through the word pairs, and you can do this with an enhanced for loop. You can do it with a regular loop. Maybe I'll do the regular one first. So I'll do for int I equals 0. I is less than all pairs. Remember, this is sort of a global variable, so it's accessible everywhere. So I'm just going to loop through that array list. All pairs dot, let's see, size, I believe is the right one. I always think it's length or something, but then plus I. Okay, and then I'm going to just get like the ith word pair. So I'm going to do word pair WP equals all pairs dot get the ith one. All right, and then I'm just going to check to see if the first and second match. So I'm going to do, you could get the words individually if you want, but I'm just going to do if the word pair dot get the first, if that equals, so I want to call that equals, all right, and then word pair dot get second. Okay, so I know that's a lot of code crammed into one line, but I'm just calling the get first method to get the first string, see if that's equal to the second string word pair dot get second. Okay, and if they are equal, just plus count, and that should be it. All right, if you did an enhanced for loop, what it would look like if you want to see that real quick, you do for word pair WP from word all pairs is where I'm drawing it from. And then I would just do the same kind of check. So I would do if WP, yeah, then it'd be exactly the same. It'd be exact same code right there. All right, so it'd just be a different heading. So maybe I'll put that in comments down here in case you want to see the other heading. One of the tough parts about these questions is, there's not a really good way to test them, right? We don't have a main method or anything. So, I mean, I guess if your code is similar to what I have, you can consider it pretty good. But if you wanted to really test it, you could make a main and then, call the constructor and then call num matches and see if it actually gets the right number of matches. But yeah, most part, you won't be able to test your code on the AP test. So pretty much this is the best we've got. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.